Hello, this is Nima Sultani, Master Weaver with Passion of Persia. And right now, what we're doing here is knotting a bakara. Right now, Hamet, believe it or not, is one of my great teachers who taught me. He's here teaching me some new techniques. Say hi, Hamet.
Hi everyone.
Hamet does beautiful work. Is quite fast, as you can see, and loves what he does. He wouldn't be doing it if he didn't love what he does. How long have you been weaving, Hamed John?
27 years.
27 years, wow.
I was 10.
You were 10.
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing.
Thank you.
You know, Hamed is actually one of the best rug restorers I've seen. When it comes to restoring rugs, Hamed just does fabulous work. Even I can't see his repairs, front or back, which is amazing. Have you ever wove a rug, Hamed John? Have you ever wove a rug start to finish, like make the rug?
Oh no, that's different.
Yeah, that is.
I'm restoring.
You know, in Turkey, most of the women, they weave rugs, and the men, they restore, don't they?
One from my village.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Sultan Hani is one of the best villages that do rug repair.
Population like 8,000.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, not
Well, I appreciate you teaching me all your techniques and, you know, and to help anytime to learn new stuff. That's really great of you. Hamed is with us full time, so now you have a Persian and a Turkish to repair all the different types of knots and different types of rugs. What's your favorite rug to repair, Hamed?
Turkish, Caucasian. Actually, I love all of them. Turkmen, Uzbek, Persian.
What was your favorite?
My favorite is Navajo.
Navajo.
Yeah. Flat leaf.
The flat
Also
leaf.
hook rod too.
Okay.
Yeah, most of the people don't know how to fix Navajo and hook rod.
Not here in America. They don't do a good job like
Yeah,
we
they do. Yeah.
do. My favorite rug repair is silk. I don't know. I'm good with silk. I like silk. I love the silk. So it doesn't matter whether it's silk, Navajo, Caucasian.
Yes, exactly.
Here, me and Hamet, we clean and repair, appraise, wall mount, frame, all types of beautiful rugs. If you're in need of our services, please contact Passion of Persia at passionofpersia.com or call us. We service the nation at 602-374-6973. Hello, this is Nima Sultani, Master Weaver with Passion of Persia. And right now, what we're doing here is knotting a bakara. Right now, Hamet, believe it or not, is one of my great teachers who taught me.